Hi, it's so great to see you. I hope you're doing well. We're going to talk today about how to plan your workouts because you can see by the Christmas tree in the background that it is the holiday season. Now, I love the holidays, especially having two young kids. It's magical, it's fun, but I'm going to tell you a secret. I really love when January 1st comes. I love this idea of having a blank slate. I love the energy that the new year brings. I love thinking about what I want from the new year, and I love planning it out. Now, I'm not talking about a big plan session. We're not talking about goals necessarily here, but I really love having office supplies in front of me, having a pen and having blank paper to just write out what I want from whether it's a couple days or whether it's the full year. And working out is a part of that. So whether you want more energy or whether you just want a goal of moving 3 days a week or whether you want to find time for yourself for self-care, whatever it is, it can be really helpful to find ways to plan those workouts into your week, because one of the things I hear from so many people is that they feel like they don't have time to work out, that there's not enough time. And I completely understand. And you might be in that place too. So I want to talk to you about how you can possibly find that time and how I personally find time to work out and make a plan to work out. So stick with me through the video because I'm going to have two awesome offers for you. One is on my beginner bootcamp, which starts January 1st. So we're going to talk about that because that is one way that I plan workouts, is by making a workout calendar. So we're going to talk about the beginner bootcamp, and then we're also going to talk about the planner that I use, because I don't know if you're like me, but I am, like I said, a paper and pen kind of girl. I love my phone. I don't know what I would do without it. I use the calendar religiously. We have a family calendar. I keep track of things there. But when it comes to my lists of things I need to get done, when it comes to actually really remembering and planning out, doing it on paper helps me more than anything. So I feel like my phone helps me just on those appointments, and I can quick glance, what do I have today? But if I am trying to make a plan, if I have goals, if I have lists, I'm going to write them down on paper. And so this is my Erin Condren planner that I am using for 2019. I adore it. I actually can't wait after we get through Christmas. I'm going to take a couple days and write out things for the new year that I know are coming. So I'm going to talk to you about that a little bit too. So let's talk about the boot camp first, because I know a lot of you know about it and you've heard me talk about it. We offer it a couple times a year. And I think January 1st is pretty much the best time to do it. So what you get, or what the boot camp is, it's a 30-day plan or program with exercise recommendations every single day. So you get 30 days, a calendar of workout videos, workout instructionals, and health tips, something to do every single day. And it's catered to beginners. And I don't mean that for someone who's never done Pilates, but that's possible. If you've never done Pilates and you want to get into it, this is a great thing. But it's also for anyone who wants a refresher. If they have had an injury, if you've had a baby and you're starting again, if you just want to do things right step by step, if you want to see what a very well-rounded program looks like, this is the perfect thing for you. So basically you'll open up the workout calendar and it'll tell you the exact workout to do each day. They are all under 30 minutes because none of us have time for more than that every day. And that's realistic. You really don't need more than that. So they're all under 30 minutes. They're all workouts that you can do at home, in a hotel room, on the road, even in your office if you need to. So you can do them anytime, anywhere, and you don't have to follow along each day. So some people can't start until January 5th or 6th. No big deal. You just grab the program and you can start anytime that works for you. And you just watch the videos through your phone, through your computer, whatever. Okay, so they're all available online. So you'll get the 30-day workout calendar. You also get my 10-day clean eating guide. So that's what I'm going to be following the first 10 days of January. And it's kind of how I try to eat in general, but always during the holidays, we fall off track a little bit. So it's the way that makes me feel the best, the most energized, the most clean eating. So I'll include that. And then you also get access to our free Facebook group. It is not required by any means, but if you want a little community, if you want access to me every day, I'm in that Facebook group every day, and it's only for bootcamp members for the month. So it's a great place to ask your specific questions, to find out what modifications would be, or if you say, this workout really is kind of hurting my neck, what can I do instead? We're gonna be there to help give you direction. So that's the 30-day boot camp. It starts January 1st, 2019. So that's in 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks from today, actually, that I'm filming this. So in 2 weeks, and I'm gonna give you the link below to purchase. And for being here, you get a discount. So the normal price is $50, but you're gonna get 20% off. So you can get the whole program for only $40. I just want you to use code Happy New Year. So you're gonna type in coupon code Happy New Year in the link below when you go to purchase, and you'll get the whole thing for $40. So I would love to have you join me there. So that's a great way to really start to plan your workouts, because you'll know what to do every day, because I'm gonna tell you what to do. So all you need to do is look at your own calendar and find 30 minutes or less to fit that workout in, okay? So that's where I'm gonna show you this planner that I use. Okay, so here is my planner. This is again Erin Condren, and it looks big. It really isn't as big as the ones I've been using, to be honest, and it's really light. So that's a big key for me. It's light, and it's got this laminated cover. I promise you, I will spill coffee on this at some point. So the laminated cover is key. It's not gonna get ripped up, and it's customizable. You can put whatever words you want on it. You can put whatever design you want. It's awesome. So I love my planner, like I said, one, because it is visually appealing. That might sound silly, but I am a visual person, and I want something to feel energetic and also kind of supportive almost when I open it. So the colors I love the motivational quotes in it. So I'm gonna talk to you about what I do to plan my workouts. So let's go to January. All right, so obviously you have the big calendar in front here. Any really big things like traveling, you're gonna wanna put on here. Block it out so you have an idea of whether that's gonna be an easy or maybe a more difficult week to work out, okay? So that's what I use for the big calendar. Any big school events, stuff like that. My kids are off school. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, here's a blank week. So then I go to the week ahead, and I do this on a Sunday night. So let's say Sunday the 6th, I'm gonna sit and take 15 minutes to look at my week ahead. I'm gonna write in, again, the big things. Am I traveling? Do I have any meetings? Do I have doctor's appointments? Any events at school? Things that absolutely cannot be missed. My time with my clients, things like that. So I'm gonna write those in first. I'm gonna then work around that. So once I know what I'm doing, I'm gonna write in, okay, this day, let's say I know I'm not gonna be able to get to the gym because I am with the kids and at home, and then my time away is gonna be with patients. So that means it's either a Pilates day or maybe a weightlifting day at home, because I'm gonna work out during baby nap time. So that's what I'm gonna write in here. Then I can say Tuesday, yep, I don't have anything really going on. I can get to the gym and I don't have to look nice for anybody. So that's a cardio day. I'm gonna do cardio, sweat. I'm not gonna shower till that night, done. Wednesday, okay, I have a big night out that night. I do have to look nice, which means it can't be cardio, but I can get in my yoga and sweat sesh that day. Thursday, I'm meeting with a friend, and I think we can go for a really long walk with a stroller. Perfect. I'm gonna do business meeting and walk together. I have an hour for that. That's that day. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. I am going to plan my workouts around what I already have. Can I make it to the gym? Can I not? Is it gonna be during nap time? Do I need to double up with a conference call and a walk? I am going to plan it around my life so it doesn't become more stressful. That's the key. You don't want it to be more stressful. You want it to easily transition into what you're doing. The other thing that helps me to be able to look ahead is I know what clothes to put on. That might sound silly, but I'm telling you, I am gonna start my day with my workout clothes because it's just one less thing to do before I get my workout in. So I'm ready to go anytime. So that's how I plan my workouts. And then you'll see kind of the days go on, February, and then there's lots of awesome additional things. Like I have stickers to put in here. I can't wait to do it. I'm gonna use my colored pens. There's pockets, my mail's gonna go in. I have already, talk about planning, look, to film. So I'm already starting to think about what I need to film, what my unlimited members are gonna get. But it really helps me to write it out. These are gonna be my to-do lists at some point. I'll put little stickies at the top. But that's how I organize my life and my workouts, and it helps so, so, so much. Love this, look at that. Stay patient and trust your journey. So key for what we're doing, love it. So that talks you through a little bit about how I personally plan my workouts, and especially for the new year. I would love to have you in the beginner boot camp with me. So it's a 30-day beginner boot camp. all the workouts you need every day, and it's gonna set you on the exact right track. I promise there are workouts that you haven't seen here on YouTube that I keep only for Bootcamp members and only for Unlimited members. And that's another thing, actually, I should tell you. Unlimited members, so if you don't know about Unlimited, it's my monthly membership site where people get access to 200 or more videos and workouts, many of which I never post on YouTube. 2 new workouts every month. It's awesome. And you get the bootcamp free if you're an Unlimited member. Also, keep in mind, Unlimited prices are going up January 1st because we have this awesome new website redesign that we're launching. So that's just another little thing. I'll put that link below also. So you're gonna get a link to the bootcamp if you would like to be a bootcamp member only. I would love to have you come play and work out with us. Feel how strong you can really be, do it in a safe and fun way, and you will feel so empowered, I promise. So I'll put that link below. Remember, use the code Happy New Year to get $10 off the bootcamp. The other link you're gonna get is for Unlimited. So if you've thought about being an Unlimited member, I'd love to have you there as well. You get the bootcamp for free, so you can check that out. And then the third link, because this is like the holidays here, I'm giving you so many gifts, so many things to choose from. So the third link is how you can get your own Erin Condren planner. Again, I love mine. It just is what works best for me. I do a combination of my phone and planning there and alerts and reminders, and then I write things out, and it just keeps me honest. I can't think of another way to say it. If I look and see that I've missed, oh, this was a 30-minute Pilates session and I didn't do it, I missed it, I can either put it on the next day, I can get it done that night, but there's something about writing it down, and it just kind of keeps me true to myself and keeps me on track even on those days that feels really hard. So I would recommend all of those things. I would love to see you in the boot camp. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And please, I would love to know if you're gonna join us for the boot camp. So I will talk to you all soon. Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.